Motorola i710 LCD screen replacement. Once the LCD screen cover has been removed, the LCD screen can be accessed as shown in this guide. Slide the cover release button towards the bottom of the phone. Once the battery cover pops up, slide the cover towards the top of the phone and lift up. Push the battery towards the top of the phone and lift up. Although the lower half of the phone in these images has been disassembled, it is not necessary for removing the LCD screen. With the help of plastic opening tools, remove the i710 nameplate and Motorola logo from the backside of the phone. The 4 screws holding the upper half of the phone together should now be visible. With a H1.5 screwdriver, unscrew the 4 H1.5 size screws from the back of the phone. Flip the phone onto its back and, with the help of a plastic opening tool, remove the metal speaker cover that is above the LCD screen. Slide a plastic opening tool along the edge of the LCD screen cover to separate the cover from the phone casing. Apply a small amount of force towards the cover if necessary. The LCD screen should now be completely separated from the phone. Use a spudger to detach the ribbon cable connecting the LCD screen to the rest of the phone. The LCD screen will now lift out from the phone casing. Be careful not to break the speaker's ribbon cable that sits behind the LCD screen.